Hi. Once log in, click Shipping menu and navigate to Configuration page. And click Add New. Now enter the shipment name as Shipping inside of Tamil Nadu. And enter the transit days and select the country. Now click Add New in the state and search for Tamil Nadu and select and save the record. And click Save in the top right. Now scroll down to configure the price and weight. Click Add New and enter the base configuration name. Enter the shipping price in the weight base. For example, 0 grams to 500 grams configured as 40 rupees. Again, click Add New and configure. The further weight and price as per your needs. You can set up in every grams or every kilograms, as per your need. Again, click Add New and enter the shipment name as Shipping outside of Tamil Nadu. Enter the transit days and select the country. Now add New in the state and select all the state. And search for Tamil Nadu and remove. Now all states are configured except Tamil Nadu. Click Save at the top. Now scroll down and set up the price in the weight basis. As per done before. Enter the base configuration name. And enter price and from weight. For example, from 0 grams to 500 grams configured as 50 rupees. With the same process, you can configure the price with weight as per your business. Now the manual shipment process is fully completed. You can check in the website checkout page.